What's up people and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and gems for Cookie Fever game. So guys, let me show you. Okay, I will show you step by step how to get this hack. As you can see guys, it actually generating our coins and gems guys, and it works amazing. So let me show you step by step how to get this hack. So go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop and type in search Cooking Fever and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and now we'll have to enter our Fever ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me paste it. I already copied mine, so let me click continue guys. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our coins and gems amount, so I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue guys. Let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to stay updated with this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will cover more of this and review more websites around this. AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, now we have a few minutes to complete this bot check process. Just click I'm not a robot. And now guys, we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. As you can see, I already download Domino Dreams and Travel Town and complete the tasks. So guys, that is pretty much it for this tutorial. As you saw, AppLoop is an amazing website. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.